Welcome to the video on understanding how to sell products which require approval. At Amazon, we seek to be Earth's most customer-centric company. We want customers to trust that they can always buy with confidence on Amazon. Products offered for sale on Amazon must comply with laws, regulations, and Amazon policies. Our restricted products policy is one of the ways we ensure standards are upheld by our sellers. To learn about our restricted products policies, type restricted products in the search bar on the Seller Central homepage. You'll find a list of restricted products with links to learn more. It's important to review these links to determine if your products can be sold on Amazon. Listing products that cannot be sold on Amazon can lead to removal of your selling privileges. If you're unable to find a restricted products section to review, it's best to go to Inventory, choose Add a Product, and then search for a similar product that you intend to sell. Check if listing limitations apply. Clicking on Listing Limitations will allow you to understand the requirements to sell the product. Restricted products that can be sold on Amazon often require an account to pass an approval process. This can happen on a category, subcategory, or ASIN level. It's Amazon's expectation that sellers understand the laws, certifications, and regulations governing the sale of the items they intend to offer, whether they are owned by sellers or other branded products. Amazon may also restrict the sale of specific brands or specific ASINs within a brand family. Brand approvals are requested separately for each locale you sell under, and will often require one of the following: invoices from a valid source of supply for the brand you intend to sell, or authorization letter from the brand owner. In certain situations, Amazon might require additional documentation from you, like images of the branded products, certificates, or testing documents that products meet safety guidelines. You can keep track of approvals for restricted products and brands by going to Catalog tab and choosing View Selling Applications. Your status will be listed as approved, declined, or in draft. Follow the guidelines mentioned in this video to make sure you can sell your products on Amazon. Thank you and happy selling!